Welcome to Easy Microbiology. Good morning everyone. Today we will be discussing Clostridium sordellii, a strict anaerobic bacteria found in soil and water. It is known for its ability to produce a variety of enzymes and toxins. We will explore its habitat, morphological features, biochemical characteristics, host range, virulence factors, mechanisms of antibiotic resistance, and more. Let's take a closer look and begin. Clostridium sordellii is a gram-positive, anaerobic, rod-shaped bacterium that belongs to the genus Clostridium. It can cause serious infections in both humans and animals. Clostridium sordellii is commonly found in soil, water, and the gastrointestinal tract of humans and animals. It can also be found in wounds and other areas of the body. Clostridium sordellii is a spore-forming, rod-shaped bacterium that is typically 1 to 1.5 micrometers in width and 3 to 8 micrometers in length.
Clostridium sordellii grows well in anaerobic conditions and is typically cultured on blood agar or anaerobic media.
Clostridium sordellii is a strict anaerobic bacteria found in soil and water. It is known for its ability to produce a variety of enzymes and toxins. It tests positive for catalase, lecithinase, and gelatinase. Clostridium sordellii is an important microorganism to study due to its capability to produce various enzymes and toxins.
Clostridium sordellii infections can occur in both humans and animals.
Clostridium sordellii produces several virulence factors, including lethal toxin, hemolysin, and sordellilin. These toxins can cause tissue damage and cell death.
Clostridium sordellii is naturally resistant to certain antibiotics due to the presence of enzymes known as beta-lactamases. These enzymes stop certain antibiotics from breaking down the bacteria's cell wall, making it harder for antibiotics to attack the bacteria. Gaining an understanding of the mechanisms of antibiotic resistance can help us provide better treatments to fight Clostridium sordellii infections. Cases of infections caused by Clostridium sordellii are rare, yet can cause a significant level of damage, even in those with a healthy immune system. It is essential to be knowledgeable of the risks and signs of the infection in order to take the necessary steps to avert it. Clostridium sordellii, a life-threatening pathogen, is known to cause severe infections like sepsis, necrotizing fasciitis, and toxic shock syndrome. Antibiotics may be used to treat these conditions. However, the severity of the infection and the high mortality rate associated with it may require more aggressive medical interventions. Clostridium sordellii is a member of the Clostridiales order and is often found in soil and decaying vegetation. Despite being an uncommon pathogen, it can cause significant morbidity and mortality in humans. Although much remains unknown, there is limited information available on the immunological responses to this bacterium. This research will aim to further explore the mechanisms of the immune system in the context of infection with Clostridium sordellii, with the ultimate goal of increasing our understanding of this pathogen and developing better treatments for those who are infected. Clostridium sordellii is a bacterium found in soil and feces. It is most commonly associated with severe infections in the sick and immunocompromised. It can manifest itself in various forms, such as septicemia and infection of the heart and other major organs. Diagnosis of this bacterium is only possible through the detection of toxins in serum or tissue samples, as well as by culture and identification of the bacteria in clinical samples.
Prevention of Clostridium sordellii infections includes proper wound care and hand hygiene. Vaccines for specific strains of Clostridium sordellii are not currently available.
Medical professionals typically must rely on both antibiotics and surgical intervention when treating a Clostridium sordellii infection. This is to ensure the infection is managed properly and the patient's condition is stabilized. Depending on the severity of the case, different antibiotics and surgical treatments may be recommended. Clostridium sordellii is a bacterial pathogen that can cause severe illnesses. It is important to take care of wounds and practice good hand hygiene to minimize the risk of infection. Thank you for your attention.